What is a credit score, and why does it control your financial life? Most people hear the term credit score all the time, but very few actually understand what it means. And even fewer realize something important. Your credit score can quietly control almost every major financial decision in your life. In this video, you'll understand what a credit score actually is, why it exists, and how it affects you more than you think. Part 1. What a credit score actually is. A credit score is a number that represents how trustworthy you are with money. It is not your income. It is not how much money you have. It is a rating based on how you handle borrowed money. In simple terms, a credit score tells banks how likely you are to pay back what you owe. The higher your score, the more trust you have. The lower your score, the more risk you represent. Part 2. Why credit scores exist. Banks don't know you personally, so they use data to decide. Should we give this person a loan? Should we give them a credit card? What interest rate should we charge them? Your credit score is that system. It's basically a financial reputation score. Just like social media has likes and followers, the financial system has credit scores. Part 3. What affects your credit score? Your credit score is based on a few main things. Payment history. Do you pay on time? Debt usage. How much of your available credit are you using? Credit age. How long have you had credit accounts? New credit. How often do you apply for loans or credit cards? Credit mix. What types of credit do you use? But the most important factor is simple. Paying on time. Even one missed payment can hurt your score. Part 4. Why it matters so much. This is where most people underestimate it. Your credit score can affect getting a loan, buying a car, renting an apartment, the interest rates you pay, even job applications in some cases. Two people can borrow the exact same amount of money, but end up paying completely different interest rates just because of their credit scores. That means a good credit score can save you thousands of dollars, and a bad credit score can cost you thousands. Part 5. How it affects your daily life. You may not notice it every day, but your credit score is working in the background all the time. When you apply for a credit card, it's checked. When you apply for a loan, it's checked. When you rent a home, it can be checked. It's like a hidden system that decides how easy or how expensive your financial life will be. Part 6. The simplest way to think about it. Think of your credit score like a financial reputation. Good behavior equals trust. Bad behavior equals risk. And just like reputation in real life, it takes time to build and very little time to damage. Your credit score is not just a number. It is a reflection of how you handle financial responsibility. And once you understand it, you can start using it in your favor instead of letting it control you silently. In the next video, we'll break down how credit card interest actually works and why it traps so many people in debt without them even realizing it.